Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to run Excel's spell check now. First, select the range or sheet you want checked. This keeps the process focused and fast. Once selected, press F7 or click Review Right Arrow Spelling to open the dialog. Make sure the proofing language matches your content and adjust options like ignoring words in uppercase. Doing this prevents missed errors and avoids false positives. After you start, Excel scans cells, offers suggestions, and pauses where it finds potential issues so you can decide. Now you'll work through suggestions. Excel shows replacements and a few action buttons. You can change one instance, change all for repeated words, ignore if it's correct, or add to dictionary for names and acronyms so they won't flag later. Note that spell check skips text and formulas and protected cells, so unprotect sheets and unhide rows if something's missing. Once done, move through the list calmly and use change all sparingly. Sometimes context matters, and automatic replacements cause mistakes. Finish by reviewing each change Excel made and save the workbook when you're satisfied. Once complete, rerun spell check if you added words to the dictionary or changed large ranges. If Excel seems to skip entries, make sure you're not editing a cell, that sheets aren't protected, and rows or columns aren't hidden. These block checking. If problems persist, open File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Proofing, and confirm language and ignore settings. Adjusting those usually resolves skipped checks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.